Hey folks, good morning, how you doing? Look at my rain covered glasses. Out on a 200km audax today, audax DIY to be precise. Main route I've made up, that's what it means, do it yourself. What can I tell you, I'm 80k in, here in South Yorkshire, capital of the fly tippers, and it is very, very windy. Hopefully you can hear me alright, pretty good windshield on this camera. But it's been very, very windy and it's been raining on and off all morning, so I got up to 80k first time I brought the camera out because my hands are cold as well. So I've been covering myself up, and when this jacket is not conducive for getting the camera out, neither are the lobster gloves. So apologies for not sharing much of today's ride up to this point. Hopefully once they got a bit of tailwind and I feel a little bit more comfortable and that rain disappears and things warm up just a tad, I'll bring the camera out again. And as you can see today, I've got my flask on there. Finished drinking that. Nice, lukewarm coffee. Got me taking my glasses off after a stop again. Oh, look at this road, nicely retarmacked. Tell you what, the road choices I made today has been spot on. Not too busy, and lots of quiet, good roads here in South Yorkshire and East Riding of Yorkshire. I'm at 115k mark, and to be fair, I'm not in the mood for taking. Oh, mood's the wrong word. I'm trying to get around this as comfortably as I can, and because I've got the gloves on, I've not been filming much, so forgive me. It's that time of year now, isn't it? Going by the video title, you probably get the gist of what I was trying to achieve today. No cafe, no shop. I'm not sure this no cafe, no shop rule will go. Shop it anyway, because I'm feeling a bit hungry again, so I'm going to grab something to eat. But I will quickly show you bike and the setup today. So as you can see, I'm on the Cube, by a Toe Peak saddle bag, a couple of cat eye lights on the back, the Omni and the other one, whatever that's called. Restrap frame bag in there, with all my various randonneur badges on there, and I think there's a randonneur badge on the other side as well. Yep, oh, that's Club Lincolnshire. So up at the front, on top, dangling down off the TT bars, dry bag, and inside it is a fleecy jacket. You might have guessed it that I'm not going ultra light, because I'll say kind of part of my training really is all year round to carry a little bit more than I need to, because I know we're be training on the lightest bike possible, especially when TCR will be like the heaviest bike possible, if you know what I mean. So I left Crowell, what time did I leave Crowell this morning? 7:30, that sort of time, and all the way around the Isle of Axome. I'll show you on the screen here if it's perhaps zooming a little bit. There's a place called the King's Causeway, absolute nightmare. Not the rain so much, but the wind. If you've ever been through the Isle of Axome, familiar with North Lincolnshire, it's a little bit like the Lincolnshire Fens. It's really grim when the wind picks up. So from there I went through Goole into Rawcliffe and Thorn, so I went through Rawcliffe Bridge. Where did I go from there? So on the back road to Fish Lake, Moss, Askern, Kaywood, not too far back. So it's been pretty much a flat ride, flat 200, not many hills, just a couple testing, well not even testing, a couple rises near Askern, and yeah, it's pretty much flat all the way back. So as we come back, we're going to go through a Newport a little bit, but it's kind of, I've actually found a alternative road that runs kind of parallel to Newport, so I'm going to give that a go, because it's quite a fast road, quite fast traffic. Usually not been a problem there, but any sort of alternative road, I'm going to take it. So from that I'm going to drop into Howden, go through Howden itself to stay off the busy A road there, jump over the bridge at Boo Ferry into Goole, hopefully won't have a rumbling stomach, because I still have about 18k to go back through the audax zone. So yeah, that's the route. As you see, I've done most of it now. Got to keep moving, Anna. Not much light in the left in the day, so yeah, let's crack on. Just heading down Market Wheaton Road, 3k up the road. It'll be the northeastern most point of this route. As I start to head back south, it should be a bit of a tailwind, I think. Fingers crossed, hopefully. I thought it was going to be a headwind first, but I remember the forecast now has changed around. Weather hasn't got that much better, to be honest, to be fair. And by the time it's worth me taking this jacket off, it'll be getting dark, then it will be getting cold. It's about that 2:15 in the afternoon now, maybe closer to 2:30. The camera always lies a little bit and makes it look a bit brighter than it actually is, but I tell you, it's pretty dull despite being blue skies. I was checking the Garmin earlier. Sunset is now 4:15 in the afternoon. Really depressing. As you can see, plenty of puddles. It's just been raining on and off all morning. I thought today was going to be a better of the 2 days. Apparently not. Oh, 50 odd K to go. Just about to pop one of these chocolate kind of Toblerone things in my mouth. But I'm also going to tuck into an SIS isotonic energy gel. Just curious what the end date is. August next year. I was actually looking at the website yesterday, Approved Foods or something. It's like gels and foods and drinks which are kind of reaching their sell by date. And I was looking at the prices thinking, they're still not cheap for what they are. 80p for an energy gel. I was like, that's cheapskating me. 20 minutes left till sunset. About 2 miles left from Howden. So I nearly finished this ride, nearly wrapped it up to Howden, straight into Goole. And then through the audax, so this is about 20 miles to go, I think, something like that. But it looks like I'm going to finish about 5 o'clock. So very pleased with that. It's been a good one. Been a good ride. Again, I hope you enjoyed it, because it just seems to be a few shots of a few fields, very nondescript, very flat. And I think the highlight really has been, I don't know, stopping for food. Back in my pyjamas. The ride's finished. It's quite funny actually. The Garmin got to 199 kilometers and then died. And because I'm doing it as a DIY, I need to submit the old distance, don't I? Gone to Strava, recorded the last kilometre and a bit. And got the 200 in. Great ride, really enjoyed it. I didn't go to any shops, managed to get all the way around, surviving on the food that I had inside the frame bag. So I even came back with some left, but I could murder something to eat now. So if you've got any comments, don't forget then to put them down below. If you're one of those people who's just lurking in the background, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know that you really enjoy the channel. Right, I'm off. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.